I'm back with another back with another video. Hey, what's up guys? How you doing guys? If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press the notification bell so you won't miss out my last uploads from years. And leave me a genuine comment, no spam comment. Leave me a comment about my previous videos and then I'll get back with you. If you're new, if you're old, welcome back. Stay tuned to this video. So today guys, I'll be doing my nails. They're looking dusty right now. About my nails, okay guys, so I'm gonna do my nails. Got the thing, the white holder for the top. I got like a purse full of nail polish. Y'all wanna see? Hold on. For the nail polish, boy. So yes, so the whole bag full of nail polish. So yeah, we're gonna choose the color and we're gonna stick with it, okay? We got different colors for the rainbow here. Oh yeah, y'all pick color the rainbow. But let's continue. Okay guys, I show you a little sneak peek of my purse. I'm looking for my nail clipper because I need to clip my nails before I even apply anything to it. If they need a clip. Oh my bitch. Oh, this thing right here. That thing poked me. Alright guys, so yeah. I'm gonna pick a color. I'm gonna go with the color. I like this color. I might do this color. I don't know what color we're gonna do exactly, but we're gonna go with color. I might go with a purple. I've been feeling like red. I wanna do some red. I might do red. I don't know. I look ugly in red. I'm gonna do a color. I feel like the color feels black, but we ain't gonna do black. That's pressing color. I'll do pink. I got a lot of pink. Y'all know I love pink. I'll do pink for breast cancer month. We're gonna go with pink. Either those two colors. We're not gonna do other thing other than that. I'm gonna go with a sparkle because I got like a sparkle to put on top of that color. Let me look for that sparkle. The boy got some of that. Hello, wait guys. Yeah, we back. My brother was talking to me, but we back. I got a nail clipper. I got this one. I got my own nail clipper. Gotta clip my nails down a little bit. It was a bit too long. I need my things to be short. I don't cut all of it now. Yeah, cut a little bit of it. Sometimes it jumps so you feel me? But after all, everything be good. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm fixing up my nails here. So yeah guys, we're gonna do pink for breast cancer month awareness. And that's what we're gonna stick with. I go to the salon, but I don't go all the time. I'd rather do myself. But I ain't gonna do the worst nail salon things coming soon. I got one near me, they the worst. Swear to God. Never do your nails with them. Never do your nails with them. Swear to God. They don't know how to do nails at all. They don't even know how to apply the fake nail to your nails, bro. That's how bad they are. I'll do my hair, eyebrows later. But not focus on the nail. Alright. The nails are cut. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So the color we got this today is this color, pink. We got a lot of pinks. I'm gonna go with the lightest pink. I'm gonna go with this pink for breast cancer month. Okay, guys? This is the pink. And the nail polish is called LA Colors. Colors nail polish with hardness. And the number is 505. The number code is 505. You can see that. Okay, guys, and that's the color pink. So open it. Okay, so we're gonna begin. Hold on, okay, we need some light. We're gonna begin doing light strokes on it. Really thin. I'll do 3 coats of the color on each nail. And I come back to it and do 3 coats, if not a 4th one. I need the color to stick out. But I always do 3 coats. Sometimes I do a 4th one when the color don't go too bright. When the bottle's like that, your finger look light, and you're gonna need to do another coat. You let air dry or fan dry or whatever. I'm gonna let my shit air dry. Cause that shit dries quicker. And the fan, that guy, they robbed my fan. Remember that live stream, guys? If you didn't watch it, they robbed my fan in this house. So I'll come back with y'all when I do my nails, cause my storage. Okay? Alright. Okay, we back, guys. My nails got painted. I'm gonna add some glitter to my nails. So we're gonna do this right now together. Apply some glitter. Okay, I'm gonna put some of that. Let's put it there. We're gonna sprinkle some water. I said water. Oh, I'm dead. Hold on. It needs to be painted. It needs to be wet. Hold on, guys. This is my first time doing this shit, so I gotta give me some, like, a break. Cause I bitch don't know what she actually doing, but she's doing this shit. Okay. I think I overdid it on that now. I don't know what I did. I really don't know. But we're gonna try something new all the time, every time, okay? Okay. Oh my god, I really did a doozy on my nail. Oh, I like the way it looks. Gonna keep it. Alright, I'm on camera talking like this. But God, don't mind me. I'm trying to do my nails. It looks sexy, babies. I look better than the salon, baby. Oh, baby, bling, 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 honey. Okay, guys, my storage is crazy. So I'm gonna show you when it's done. Get done with this video because this video is gonna be cursing, and I can't get paid when people curse in my videos because I can't get paid. But guys, I did my nails. Catch you in my new video. Leave a like and leave a comment, leave a subscribe. TNT family stand up. Hit them up squad all day. Catch you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. This is my nails, guys. Okay, bye bye.